Health Tips, brought to you by St. Joseph's Hospital.
Good morning and welcome to Health Tips, St. Joseph's monthly wellness information program. I'm your host, Denis Sweeney. Running quickly up a flight of steps or participating in a strenuous activity can sometimes make us feel out of breath. However, there are many people who have difficulty breathing altogether on a regular basis. Joining me today to talk about St. Joseph's new Pulmonary Rehabilitation Program and how it helps individuals become active while reducing that shortness of breath is Aida Williams, a Registered Respiratory Therapist here at St. Joseph's. Welcome, Aida.
Thank you, Dennis.
Aida, can you tell me what pulmonary rehabilitation is?
Pulmonary rehabilitation is an education and exercise program for the patient with obstructive pulmonary disease. It is specially designed for the individual to meet their needs. It is supervised by a respiratory therapist and overseen by a pulmonologist. It includes breathing, retaining, exercise of upper and lower limbs, application of daily living, and teaching of the disease itself.
Who qualifies for pulmonary rehabilitation?
To qualify for pulmonary rehab, Dennis, you must have a diagnosis of a certain degree of pulmonary obstruction through a pulmonary function test. You have to have a doctor's order. You must be a non-smoker for 3 months and be able to attend and commit to the 8-week program.
What are some of the methods utilized in St. Joseph's Pulmonary Rehab Program, and have they helped the patients?
Yes, it's been proven in studies to help the patients through upper and lower limb strengthening endurance, through decreasing your shortness of breath and fatigue, and to cope with your activities of daily living with confidence.
Finally, Aida, how does someone sign up for St. Joseph's Pulmonary Rehabilitation Program?
Well, initially you need to have an order from your doctor, a written requisition, and then just call St. Joe's Pulmonary Rehab for any questions you may have.
Thank you very much for your time today.
You're welcome, Dennis.
I've been talking with Aida Williams, a registered respiratory therapist here at St. Joseph's Hospital, talking about St. Joseph's new Pulmonary Rehabilitation Program. I'm your host, Denis Sweeney. Please be sure to join us again next month at the same time for our next edition of Health Tips. Until then, have a happy and healthy month.
Health Tips has been brought to you by St. Joseph's Hospital.